A lot of us value curiosity because it's connected to creativity and innovation. But something else that we don't talk about as often as we should is imagination. You see, I think of wonder as a little switch on a wall, and we could spend a lot of time talking about it. But in this video, what I want to explain is that whether your wonder switch is on or off toggles how you use your imagination. You see, I used to think that imagination was something that we used when we were little kids. And then as we grow up, it sort of weakens and we stop using our imagination. And then I looked out at creative leaders and realized we use our imaginations every single day. We're very creative at imagining all the potential things that could possibly go wrong, or creating all of these ideas around why something won't work. So what I discovered is that you actually are using your imagination to worry or to be anxious. And I think that worry is a misuse of your imagination. If worry is a misuse of imagination, you're already using all the creative energy that you need. We just need to reallocate that into using your imagination to dream and create and innovate the way that your imagination was intended. How do you do that? By reawakening your sense of wonder. If the wonder switch is off, you use your imagination to worry. If the wonder switch is on, it gives birth to possibility, and you use your imagination to become the most creative company on the planet.